guys, how are you all? Today I'm going to be creating Hello Kitty inspired makeup and I will be recreating this look. I saw this picture on Pinterest and I kind of loved it and I wanted to give it a try. But I would like to say that don't watch this video as a tutorial because even I don't know how it will end up looking. I love Hello Kitty so much. Like anything that relates to Hello Kitty, I'm in. To create Hello Kitty look, I have got only two things. A white poster color and an eyeliner. This video sounds like a challenging video that can I recreate Hello Kitty look with like these two things? Watch this video till the end. So I did basic makeup off camera like foundation, concealer and compact powder and I also did my eyes too. Now I'm jumping on the eyeliner step that I think is the most easiest step. So this son of a bitch thinks that I am the easiest step. Let me make her cry. So this was the reason why I said don't watch this video as a tutorial because this is what happens when you do some creativity stuff on your face. I removed my all eyeshadow because I had to do so. I suddenly remembered that I was filming this look. But there is still more, a lot more to be filmed. So this is the update so far. And it's still incomplete. So let me complete it off camera and then I'll be back. So we're done with the look. I have not applied lipstick. I will apply it after wearing the outfit. Now let me show you the outfit, the jewelry and the bands. Okay. Okay. These are the bands that I'll wear because in the picture the girl was wearing bands. But I'm thinking to curl it slightly. But I remember I had straightened it once and I lost some of the hair. So I can't take risk. So yeah, these are the bands, fake bands that I'll wear. And this is the jewelry, Hello Kitty jewelry that I'll wear. They're cute, aren't they? I have a necklace too. Okay, so these were the jewelry and this is the dress that I'm gonna be wearing. So now let me change it and I'll be right back. This video is all about I'll be right back. BRB, I'll be right back. So I'll be right back. So this is the final look, guys. I'm feeling so pretty. So now let's do those mandatory steps. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed a lot making this video. Please be good this time. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.